Now this illustration still deals, with receptacles in a coordinates to start with, NEC 210.21b as in boy. But now before you ever use a branch circuit that would supply receptacles and lights in a combination type situation, we suggest any electrician to review the NEC loop first. 210.21, 210.23, Table 210.21b2, Table 210.21b3, and then if you would just as an electrician review Table 210.24, all the above is illustrated in that table. Like, for example, 210.23 is the permissive loading of a branch circuit. But you get all that in Table 210.24 along with every bullet that you see in the NEC loop. Now, notice that you may be using a receptacle to card and plug connect some kind of music box, as you see illustrated. You may be card and plug connecting a TV. You may have lights, though, that are hardwired, as you see. Or you may have table lamps, floor lamps that are card and plug connected, and they're connected usually to duplex receptacles, as you see. But you may have a direct receptacle that is being used for a direct circuit to an individual type circuit, to an AC window unit, in 440.64. And that type of receptacle, it may be 240-volt type receptacle that's connected in. It's just a single 240-volt single-phase receptacle. Now, this illustration shows that most of the time, if you're in a dwelling unit, pretty well all the time, it's non-metallic sheath cable. And if you're in the Texas area, electricians will know that non-metallic sheath cable is a Romex. But if you were in Wyoming, maybe Montana, in that area in there, those electricians call non-metallic sheath cable rope. So it's just a nickname that they give it. It's the way I see it. When non-metallic sheath cable first come out, it was Romex company that manufactured it. Now we have a number of folks that do. And then also AC cable. The old BX type is used in existing type dwellings. AC cable and MC cable is used in commercial all the time, just many times. So this figure 10-2 is showing how a branch circuit might have just duplex receptacles plus lights, or it may be routed just for receptacles, and then you'd have another circuit that took care of the lighting. It depends upon the electrical contractor and how they arrange the lighting circuits for a dwelling. And then you get into commercial, then you may find the same thing. Receptacles on a branch circuit, lighting on a branch circuit. But what this section for receptacles is showing, that you could have receptacles only on a branch circuit. You could have lighting units only on a branch circuit, luminaires, or you could have combination. So this figure 10-2 is illustrating receptacles that are combination loaded, and then a direct individual circuit that may be 240-volt single phase instead of 120-volt single phase.